Hello and good morning, everyone. Today we will be discussing um, the movement of blood through your heart. Okay, it will be represented with two colors. When yellow is drawn, it is unoxygenated blood. When green is drawn, it is oxygenated blood. Now, class, it first starts at our tissues. Our tissues, class, will send back unoxygenated blood through your back to the heart through your superior and inferior vena cava, wherein the unoxygenated blood will meet in your or will be collected in your right atrium. The unoxygenated blood will then pass through your tricuspid valve and into your right right atrium. Now class, once the ventricle contracts, because if you remember, ventricles are the pumping chambers, it will send the unoxygenated blood through your pulmonary semilunar valve and into your pulmonary artery. Now if you remember, class, the pulmonary artery, the one in blue, is the only artery that will carry unoxygenated blood, because normally, class, arteries will carry oxygenated blood, but the pulmonary artery is the exception. Okay. Once the unoxygenated blood goes through your pulmonary artery, it will send that blood towards your lungs, wherein external respiration will occur. If you remember, class, external expiration looks like this. Okay, this is your capillaries. Okay, and this is your alveoli. Now, class, in your external respiration, class, oxygen from the alveoli will enter the bloodstream, whereas carbon dioxide from your bloodstream will exit the bloodstream and enter the alveoli to be excreted during expiration. So class, external respiration will turn unoxygenated blood into oxygenated blood. Now class, ano na siya class? After it has been oxygenated, it will return to your heart by using our pulmonary veins. Okay? The pulmonary veins are also the exception for veins. Okay? Because normally, class, veins will carry normally, class, veins will carry unoxygenated blood. But class, in this instance, class, our pulmonary veins, which is the exception, is carrying oxygenated blood. Okay? And they will be collected by your left atrium. Left atrium. After that, class, it will go down through your mitral valve or bicuspid valve and enter your left ventricle. Left ventricle. Now, once your left ventricle will contract, it will send the blood, okay, through your pulmonary aortic semilunar valve and into your aorta. Okay, into your aorta. And then the aorta, which will terminate to most of the tissues in the body, will send the oxygenated blood towards your tissues. Okay? It will send the oxygenated blood towards your tissues. In the tissues, class, internal respiration occurs. In internal respirations, class, this is the blood vessel. This is the tissue. Let's say this is the tissue. Okay? Oxygen will enter the tissues and carbon dioxide will exit the tissues. this will make the blood unoxygenated. And since this is a cycle class, the unoxygenated blood from the tissues will once again enter your vena cava, okay, where the cycle repeats once again. Okay, so that is a brief summary of the movement of the blood inside your heart.